In this video, I'll show you a simple way to test the DC output voltage of a laptop charger using a multimeter. First, you only need two things, the charger and a multimeter. Before testing anything, let's check the information printed on the charger. Here it says the output is 19.5 volts, and this symbol V stone means the charger provides DC voltage, so 19.5 volts. DC is the number we're looking for. Now plug the charger into the wall and set up the multimeter. My multimeter is a manual range type, so I'm going to set the dial to 20 in the V section. We're choosing the 20 volt range because the charger's expected output is 19.5 volts. The 20 volt setting lets the meter measure that voltage without going into an unnecessarily high range. Now we have our two probes. The black probe goes to COM and the red probe goes to V ohm and amber. For the charger connector, the black probe goes against the outer metal sleeve while the red probe goes to the inner contact. Be careful here. Don't let the two probes touch each other while testing, because that can short the charger's output. Now look at the multimeter display. Since this charger is rated at 19.5 volts, we should get a reading close to that. Something around 19 to 20 volts would indicate that the charger is producing its expected output voltage. But in my case, the meter is showing 0.00 volts. After making sure the probes are properly contacting the connector, a zero reading means we're not getting the expected DC output from the charger. So the charger is not producing its rated output voltage, and it should be investigated or replaced rather than used with the laptop. And that's it. That's a simple way to check the output voltage of a laptop charger with a multimeter before assuming the laptop itself is the problem.